Imagine if I told you that this one tiny acorn could build a massive dam, keep you warm for 100 winters, and turn into an entire forest, but only if you plant it today. If you wait until tomorrow, you might lose half the forest. Most animals wait until they're old enough to plant, but today I'm going to show you why the youngest beavers in the woods have a superpower that even the strongest bear can't beat. Hey everyone, I'm Beaver. Welcome to the pond. Here at Beaver Invests, we're all about building strong financial dams so we can enjoy the calm waters of life. Today, we're talking about the most powerful force in the forest, time. In the human world, they call it starting early or compound interest. In the forest, we just call it the secret of the ancient oak. Let's look at two of my friends. First, meet Rabbit. Rabbit is young, fast, and loves to spend every clover he finds. He thinks, I'll start planting trees when I'm a big grown-up rabbit. Right now, I want to play. Then there's Moose. Moose isn't fast, but Moose is wise. Moose decided that even though he only had a few seeds, he would start planting one tree every moon, starting right now. Hoot! Beaver is right. You see, a tree doesn't grow all at once. It grows in layers. Every year, the tree adds a ring. And those rings, they help the tree catch more sun, which makes it grow even faster the next year. Let's look at the numbers. If Moose plants just 10 seeds a month starting when he's a calf, by the time he's a senior moose, he has a massive grove of 1,000 trees. But here's the kicker. Rabbit realizes he's getting older and starts planting 50 seeds a month, 5 times as many as Moose. But because he started so late, his trees are still tiny saplings when winter hits. Moose has a forest, Rabbit just has a garden, even though Rabbit worked way harder. Beaver, I missed the planting season. I'll just throw all these logs into the river at once. That'll build my dam, right? Whoa, Bear, take a breath. You're trying to time the storm. If you wait and try to do it all at once, you risk a flash flood washing your logs away. When you start early, you use drip planting, or dollar cost averaging. You plant a little bit in the sun, a little bit in the rain. Over time, the forest balances itself out. But what happens if a giant forest storm hits? Does starting early still help if the market, the weather, gets bad? Stick around because Moose survived the great winter of '08, and I'll show you how his early start was his literal life jacket. Think of your wealth like squirrel's snowball. At the top of the hill, it's tiny. It takes forever to see it grow. This is the boring middle. Most animals quit here. They say, my dam isn't big yet. But if you keep rolling, if you keep planting, the snowball gets so big that it starts picking up snow just by existing. That's compound interest. In the last few years of your journey, your forest grows more than it did in the first 20 years combined. So, what's the lesson for my Canadian friends? The best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago. The second best time, right now. Small seeds matter. Even if it's just $50 a month in your TFSA, that's a tax-free squirrel account. Wait, no, savings account. Be the moose, not the rabbit. Consistency beats intensity every single time. Don't wait for the perfect season. The sun is shining today. If you want to learn how to pick the right species of trees for your forest, hit that subscribe button and join the Beaver Invests colony. Let's build those dams together. See you in the next clearing.